Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are well. So in today's video we are going to talk about the common queries or the updates that are from TCS. So many candidates have many queries who has recently got their offer letters from TCS, that what is Xplore program, how long they should wait in order to get their Xplore program mails, and what should they do next, what is that thing that they need to do after getting the TCS offer letter. Also, we are going to discuss about what is TCS Xplore program and some common doubts related to it, and we are going to talk about the CPA exam too. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end so that you don't have any doubts related to it. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we regularly upload these kinds of onboarding updates as well as off-campus drives on our channel, so that it will be helpful for you and you get the latest notification from our channel. So let's start with our today's video. So first of all, the topics that we are going to discuss in this video are not going to be in much detail. I have made a separate video on this topic, that is what all are the steps that you need to do after you get the TCS offer letter. In this video I have discussed in complete details along with the mails screenshot, that what all mails you get from TCS once you get the offer letter of TCS. So make sure to watch this video. I will leave the link in the description box. So first of all, what is the next process after the TCS offer letter? This is the kind of mail that you get from the TCS team, that is your result for interview. In this only they mention that you have got the offer from TCS for your particular role. So I'll read this mail for you. Dear candidate, greetings from Tata Consultancy Services. Trust you are doing good. We are happy to inform you that basis on your TCS NQT interview performance, you have been shortlisted for a ninja offer with TCS. Looking forward to welcoming you into TCS family. So this is the mail that you get. Once you get this kind of mail, what you need to do is you need to accept your offer letter in the next step portal, and usually it is mentioned in the mail itself that you have to accept this offer letter within 7 days of getting this mail. So make sure that you check your mails regularly, and once you get this mail, try to accept your offer letter in the next step portal within the 7 days of getting it. So once you go to this go to your next step portal, you can see a new tab with offer letter, and then when you click on it, you will get an option to accept it at the below. So just click on it and your offer letter will be accepted. So once that is done, now let's focus on what is Xplore program and some common doubts related to it, as the new joinees will surely have many questions related to what is Xplore program and what you need to do it in that. So first question is TCS Xplore program mandatory to get the joining at TCS? So it is a no for this answer. So TCS Xplore program is not a mandatory one in order to get your joinings. Once you get your offer letter, your joining is definitely confirmed, but TCS Xplore program is a very good opportunity for all of you to get a training in very good technologies, or the digital technologies you can say, like Python, Java, or different AI, machine learning, and all of these technologies you can learn from the TCS Xplore program. Also, if you attend this TCS Xplore program, you get a chance to avail 60,000 bonus from the company based on your CPA exam marks. So this brings us to the next question, that is what is CPA exam now? So CPA is called as camera proctored assessment. Now camera proctored assessment is, in this what you need to do is you will get the links for this exam, survey mails for this exam after every frequent days. What you need to do is you need to fill those surveys, and once you fill those surveys, you will have the CPA exams. In this CPA exam, basically you will have a coding questions based on either Python or Java, whatever the language that you select, and what you need to do is you need to run that code, and if that code is completely compiled, you will get marks based on it. And if your marks is between 40 to 60, you can get a chance of getting 40,000 as the joining bonus from the company, and if your marks is above 80, you will get 60,000 from the company. So this is the main advantage of CPA exam. And also other advantages, once you clear the CPA exam with 80 plus, it is said like you will get your joinings earlier in comparison to the ones who does not clear the exam. Also, once you join the company, you will get the projects earlier in comparison to the ones who has not cleared the CPA exam. So these all are the advantages of it. So what if you don't clear the CPA exam? There is no problem in that. If you don't clear also, you will surely get the joinings, and after that you will get some more time to do the trainings, but the candidates who has cleared the CPA exam will only get 1 or 2 weeks of training, but the others who doesn't clear the CPA exams, they have to undergo more than that training, like the training of around 1 month they have to undergo through, and after that they will also have to wait for a long time in order to get projects. But all of this should not be the case with the candidates who have cleared the CPA exams. So the ones who has cleared the CPA exams, they will get an early joining and an early project allocation. Next question is, can we get terminated after getting offer letter? So no, there is a big no for this answer, as once you get the offer letter from TCS, there is no chance that your offer letters will get revoked or you will get terminated from the company. Once you get your offer letter, your joining is sure, but you don't know how long it can take, but it is very much sure. Next thing is trainings at TCS. So there are different kinds of trainings at TCS. So as I already mentioned, the candidates who have cleared those who cleared the CPA exams with higher marks like 80 plus will get a lesser duration of trainings at TCS and will get the projects at an earlier point of time. So I hope all of your questions are now cleared, and if you have more such questions, you can ask in the comment section. So this is the kind of mail that you get from the TCS once you clear your CPA exam. So first priority will be given to the candidates who secure 80 plus in the CPA exams, and you can even see the score ranges over here. So it is mentioned that if your score ranges between 80 to 100, then you will get a total incentive of 60,000. Similarly, if it is below 80, you will get 40,000 as your joining bonus. So with this, we have covered most of the commonly asked questions. If you have more such doubts, please ask in the comment section. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming joinings.